na ye nim ne ekoso e wo social media so e fa ye nua be ma funny face o how ne abebresa wo koma onu mpo nipa bebre na ase na dwen no ne mu ka no no se nipa bebre se wa bodam nenso onkita abodam lances na je se asem na no ayedin ema ohene ba intim kra be ka se ne afani face ye nyina e wo se Vanessa ne yire a ne wo ne mba o ye baby mama no ani abusuafo no gya no na otumi ebehwe ne man because enkwala no be ma no edon papa edon kwala ne panti wo mama no kwa behwe de nti ne wo bewu a ye bet season mad na si se papa entimi nkohwe ba no na chesa asem yi ne nyina aka ho na fadin face wodi ayam hihie edi wisie ebeta ntinten so na wo bogu musa asesi ade adapatwa ne de efi na mama grass kosi eye antina so de adapa ne de wo bia agibi we na eye Bishop Sam Owusu a oda Porters ministry ano e de abetu da se ne funny face e komunyina emre bi onya eye revelation e fa no frɛ ne ka tene se ne yonku bi totomutopa na ama no wi tofi na hono funny face e deny se ono wonsua no bi de eye tofi abedada no aye no nti wanje ne asofo no e kana ntum enne nsusuan so funny face enam nyina no eye Bishop Sam Owusu se na damfo bi ene di wi tofi ma na e di sansunsuan so e di abodam e brandmente Bishop Emra
funny face wi tofi for more than 5 years now. The guy cannot recover. A friend just gave him toffee. He took the toffee, ate the toffee, became mad. If the time he was going to church, a prophet have told him, I see somebody giving you toffee, he would have denied a toffee. I'm not a baby for toffee to be used for me. But now, I pray for that young man, funny face. I pray for him that God will intervene in his matter. And the Lord will heal him totally. Because what he's going through is not normal. It's beyond medical. They call it different bipolar, whatever they call it. It can be cured by power. It's demonic. Why is it that funny face, when he become quiet, and when he is not making it and he is not in the limelight, the sickness will not come. It is only when funny face start breaking through, when people start calling him for programs and things. Just recently, DK something, Dan Kwakuyabua invited him to his program, and after that, just immediately, the guy got. That means he has been cursed in the atmosphere. This is a demonic power. This is a satanic influence. It can only be cured, and sometimes it will take you years to recover from a satanic attack. That's why you don't need to wait to go down first.
Where a revelation Bishop Ediabetuda, she was saying, "Yankopon Pie said, funny face will be free in your woman."